You don't need art skills, just basic materials and a few quiet minutes.
Hi, today we are drawing another peacock mandala in Madhubani style. In this art, peacock represents beauty, grace, and quiet inner confidence. So draw with me or simply watch and relax. We begin with adding the border. Start by adding simple border lines to frame the artwork. Add it in pairs. Next, we draw the head, gentle curve for the head, then extend a line down to form a long neck. Continue the shape for the front portion of the body. From the back of the neck, draw a soft spiral and extend it outward to form the wing base. Extending the second lining. Once you're happy with the shape, slowly darken the outlining. Inside the wing, add a small semicircle and fill it with small flower petals. Keep spacing even and calm. Now build the feathers one section at a time. Start adding feather shapes slowly and patiently along with the inner lining. Base lace. Fill it up with lines and petals. Keep it simple. Repeating the pattern calms your mind. Draw out a lining on the back of the peacock where you can add the peacock feathers, line, two lines, and a oval, lines, and a oval. Repeating the pattern to create peacock feather effect. Carefully fill up the whole space. Then add another two circles inside the oval. Decorate the neck with simple Madhubani patterns. Small details bring the bird to life. See lines and petals. Nothing complicated here. Now add the beak, slightly curved and expressive. Add the eye. Make it dramatic. Add curves. Add a circle inside. Yes. Next step is to add the semicircle. I'm going to start with a dramatic curve. Adding the flower in the inner corner. Then adding the feathers. Below the peacock, we are going to draw flowing spirals as twigs. Just add random spirals in pairs once again. Add the leaves along the spiral wherever you want to randomly. Also place small flowers to balance the composition. Any kind of flower is okay. Using a compass to draw two circles for the sun and adding few petals inside and few radiating lines on the outside. With this, we finish our artwork, and this is how your artwork is going to look in the end. In this artwork, I'm only going to show you where each color goes, so you can complete it in your own time. No rush, just take your time and complete the artwork. So coloring the whole peacock body with purple, the beak with red, Use solid colors, decorating the feathers with red, yellow and green. Take the same combinations for the crown as well as the wing. Adding the yellow color for the twig. Fill the leaves with green and the flowers with red. Coloring the sun with yellow, red and the background with orange. Fill the main feather area with the same purple as the body. This is how your completed Madhubani Mandala is going to look in the end. Now pause. Look softly at the finished artwork. In Madhubani, Peacock reminds us that true confidence is quiet and steady. Let your eyes move slowly across the colors and patterns. Breathe in gently. Breathe out slowly. Stay here for a moment and relax. If this felt relaxing, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next session. Bye-bye.